very welcome. I am Ahonu, and I want to welcome you to this Tarot for Beginners class with Aingeal Rose. Aingeal Rose has divided this Tarot for Beginners class into 6 weekly sessions. In this, the first session, she covers the major arcana, and you will see how, even after this first session, all attendees are reading a major arcana card with confidence and accuracy, even before this session is over. Many times, people undervalue or dismiss the value of the tarot. Here's what Aingeal Rose says about that. I was 18 years old when I first picked up a tarot deck. A tragedy in my life took me to my first psychic fair and my first reading. I was looking for answers about the tragedy I had just experienced. That tarot reader ended up being my first metaphysical teacher, who helped me on my new spiritual path. In studying the tarot, I soon realized it was much more than a fortune-telling device. It held keys to bridging the gap between my outer and inner world. Its reflections helped me understand what was working beneath the surface of situations, and it opened doors to spiritual states of consciousness. Reading others was a growth process for me spiritually. It had me deal with doubts and fears I had about being good enough or accurate. I soon experienced the joy of relating and connecting to clients, many of whom became friends. I also had to overcome the subconscious programming from religions that the tarot was evil, which took me 7 years to process. The tarot became my friend and guided me through many levels of initiation. Now, after 40 years of teaching the tarot, I want you to benefit like I have. In this beginner series of classes, I will share with you what I've learned through my 40 years of journeying with the cards on physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual levels. We'll go through each card, discuss its meaning and how it can play out in life. We will expand into the spiritual levels and see how mind and emotions influence our reality. We'll practice together with various card layouts so you can see how to answer the questions. You will learn the position and their meanings and how they present a story of information and understanding. This may sound complex at the outset, but with a little understanding, you will learn how to change situations in your life for your benefit and the benefit of others. I will also show you how to read the cards intuitively without having to memorize the meanings of each card. So, there you have it. Grab your pen and paper and let's begin your wonderful new experience of the magic of the tarot with Aingeal Rose.